Sorry for the mic interruptions and blurs. We had technical issues. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for car. D is for dog. E is for egg. F is for frog. G is for gift. H is for heart. I is for ice. J is for juice.
Yum, yum.
K is for kangaroo. L is for lemon.
Ew.
M is for monkey. N is for noodles. O is for owl. P is for plant. Q is for quilt. R is for rain. S is for star. T is for telephone. U is for unicorn. V is for violin. W is for watch. X is for x-ray. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zipper. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe. So then, bye everyone. See you in our next video.